Happy Friday, everyone. We are here for part 5 of 5 on how to decorate with your tiered tray wood parts. We've got our sign kits here. I wanted to show you a couple of samples. This is our Easter tiered tray DIY kit. It's on our narrow riser. So yesterday I showcased the narrow riser set. So this is perfect for mantles, shelves, smaller spaces where you... Bathrooms, yes. I'm not sure you want to put your Easter set in the bathroom, but we have some great bathroom decor that you can check out as well. So just an idea. So this is the standard kit. It comes with the 6 pieces, and we've added the wood egg as an extra piece that you can purchase separately. And again, the narrow riser, you can paint that brown or chocolate. That's totally up to you. So just a cute seasonal decor that you can swap out for all the holidays. And then here we have our Farmhouse Riser. It has our wine kit on it. So I love this set just because we have little nooks, wine bars in our homes, and you can accessorize with our DIY tiered tray kit. And on this one, it has the bundle. So we've got the corkscrew, the wine word cutout, as well as the wine bar 6-inch round. And we've kind of added the house bead tassel set. That's the large one. And so this one is nice to wrap around. It is quite long, so you can drape it. You can add accessories like the cactus. And again, you can wrap these around separately. There's just so many ways that you can decorate. It's totally up to you. This one here, obviously because it's round, you can get the stand for it too. We have the stand that you can purchase separately as a separate piece as well. And then the round one, which seems to be the most popular these days, it comes in the white and the black, and that's got our vacation set on it. That one you can decorate all around. Now this one is not online yet. Those extra wood pieces of that woody car with the surfboard, as well as the surfboard, that's something that's going to be coming online soon. And then you can decorate all the way around. So the aloha, whoops, I think we moved the table here a little bit. You can just adjust those. It's got the eucalyptus wreath. We've got, let's see, can you grab, there we go. We've got the extra pots there as well. So those are extra add-ons that you can purchase separately that can fill your tray up, and those are all add-on accessories that you can keep up year round. So just a few ideas on how you can decorate with your tiered tray kits and your sign pieces. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and you can check out the website if you're interested in any of these kits. One of the ways that you can save is by subscribing to our monthly subscription box, and every month you can get a new tiered tray set. And it's just nice to have time to create every month and to decorate all of those fun accessories that you've made for your own home. Again, create every day, and I will put the link below for you guys to check it out for later. Thank you. Have a great day.